Okay, the first thing you want to do is mark the position of the wiper arms. So I got a piece of electrical tape here. If you got masking tape, use masking tape instead. Now the blade ends right there. So what I'm going to do here is take the tape and line it up with the blade. That's a little bit off. It ain't gotta be perfect, but I try to be. Okay. And I'm gonna go do the next one. Alright, the next thing we'll do is open up the hood. I got the hood open. And now, let me put my hand over here so you can see this better. Each wiper arm is gonna have a little cap right here, or cap on it. That's where you get a little screwdriver in there and just pop that up. And it's gonna uncover a 14mm nut. So get you a 14mm socket.
You don't have to put your hand there.
Yes, I do. Take that off, just like that. Now we're ready to take our arm off. And if you just for the case you put these together, the right arm, if you notice the arm, it goes down and then it curves up. The left arm is just straight, just in case you get them confused. Now to take this up, that's all you have to do is just take it, wiggle it back and forth, and pick it up at the same time, just like that. So let's get the other one done and then we'll move on. All right, now we need to remove this panel right here. Now to remove this panel, this card is missing. There's supposed to be a clip right here, and these clips are flat with a plastic Phillips screw in the middle of it. Let's see if we got one around here. No, we don't. It kind of sucks. So you're gonna just use a Phillips screwdriver and slowly bring that out. And sometimes you gotta take a little screwdriver and go between the bottom part, the base, and the plastic screw, and bring it up a little bit. Sorry, I can't show you because this one don't have it. But once you get those out, one on both sides, then in these square rectangle openings right here, one on each side, you're going to stick your screwdriver down in there, and this back part right there, you're going to push that forward and pick that up. Because what happens here right now, can't pick it up. But once you do that, just push that forward, you'll be able to pick that right up. Okay, and I'm going to get the one on this side. These things are pain. Once you get it up, pull it out. And shake this off. I'm gonna put this to the side. All right, the next thing you're gonna do is get you a 10mm deep socket with a 4-inch extension, because this one is good. You can get to that one, but there's gonna be one on the other side. Let's get to it. Okay, you're gonna have one 10mm bolt right here, one right here, and two over here.
Oh, where?
One right here and one right here.
Okay.
All right, now let's disconnect our wiper motor right here. Underneath there's going to be a tab. You're going to push that tab into the connector and unplug it. Push it out. Turn it over. That little, man, this is broken. But what you're going to do is squeeze that tab in and unplug it. Just bring that to the side. Let's get our 10mm. And let's take out the 4 bolts. All right, now all 4 bolts are the same length, so you don't have to worry about getting them mixed up or mixed up. Now, your wiper motor is going to come out all together with your wiper transmission. But you notice right here, that little lip on it. So,
Bad lighting. Okay.
So remember when we go to put that back in, you make sure it goes over that. As a matter of fact, let me see if I can show you a little bit. See how you push that back?
So you just pull it out?
Just pull it out. Okay. All right, now that you got it out, be careful. You got to twist this. Be careful of your windshield. back. They really could have did a better thing of this. All right, and take it out. All right, let's go set this up so we can get ready to change that motor. All right, we got our the guy. I did not get this. The customer got this. I don't know. But anyway, all right, we got our new one. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is this. Huh?
New one?
Yeah, new one.
Yeah.
All right, first thing we're gonna do is disconnect the wiper transmission from the wiper motor. You have right between here, you have a 12 millimeter nut. So you're gonna go ahead and take that nut off of there. So let's get that nut off. All right, now that we got that off, there's also was a lock washer in there. Definitely, if you don't have a lock washer, make sure you put one there. Get you a flat screwdriver, and what you're going to do is this just goes on a shaft. Let me show you on an old one right here. Just a shaft with some splines on it. So you're just going to take your screwdriver, just pry it back and forth, pop that right off. Once you got that off, turn to the side. You're going to have 3 10 millimeter bolts. Take those out. Down, put it to the side. If you want, you can use these. Which, well, if you're probably getting a brand new one, so you'll be using these. This one got a used ones up here. Let's take these off. Put the motor into place. Start the 10 millimeter bolts off by a few threads. So you want to make sure you don't get these cross threaded, because if you cross thread it, this thing will suck. And it might be a good idea to take your socket to help you start those off. Okay, and once you got those started, then you're going to tighten them all up. So let's tighten them all up. Alright, now that we got that tightened up, take the nut off from here. And see, this thing, we should have marked this another way, because this thing can go either way. This thing sucks. It was pretty much right in the middle. First of all, let's do it this way. Put the lock washer on. Put the nut on. Okay, bring it down. And remember, our bar right here was right above that. So we know it was right there. Hold that into place. And then tighten that down. And once you get it tightened down, I'll meet you over at the car. Alright, we got our new assembly. Let's install this in first. Bring it down in here. Dang it, man. What the heck? Paid attention how you took it out. Okay, remember that piece up there, so make sure we put it up, pick it up, and then pull it forward to hold it right there. Now what you're gonna do?
It came down, right? Oh,
Huh?
no, that's just my lighting.
Now what we're gonna do is take our 4 10 millimeter bolts, and you're gonna just put them in by a couple of threads. We're not going to tighten them down yet, because what we're going to do is plug up the wiper motor and make sure that it is working. I can leave the 3 in here. So let's plug that up, and let me get the key. All right, got the key. Let's key on. Let's cut them on. I'm turning?
Yep.
There's low, and there's high. And that's park position. Let's make sure.
Sure.
Yep, park position right there. Now that we got park position, where they were before, now we can go ahead and we know everything's good. Let's tighten up these 10mm bolts. All right, the next thing we'll do is put our cover back up here. Now on your cover, you're gonna see there's gonna be a series of these little tabs sticking out. Your windshield's gonna go right between here, all along here. So you gotta make sure that goes. So we're gonna bring that up. Make sure there you go in between that windshield, because that stops all the dirt and stuff from getting down in there. It looks like that one might be a little bit broken. It is. And then you're gonna just push down and lock those tabs into place. And then you're gonna have your screws that you're gonna put back as well. Okay. All right, now let's get our wipers. All right, we're ready to put our wiper blades on, wiper arms on, and I got my tape mark over here and my tape mark over here for the driver's side. So let's go with our passenger side first. And what we're gonna do is put the wiper arm on. You're not gonna push down yet. What you're gonna do is you gotta make sure your wiper, and it don't have to be exactly perfect, but you're gonna get that on. Line it up. Once you have it lined up, push down on the arm, get your 14mm nut, put it up there, and then go ahead and tighten that down. Okay. Take your cap, and the cap just have 3 prongs on the inside that just holds on to the nut right there. So you're just gonna put it on and pop it down into place. All right, and then do the other side, and you are all done after you remove your tape up there, and you are all done. Take care.